Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can use the CapCut app. So open up the app, and if you want to start a new project, select new project and select a video of your choice and then select add. And I'm just going to wait for the video to load. Here you can trim the video. So if I go to this part right here and I want to split the clips, for instance right here, I'm just going to click on the clip and then select split. Then you can delete the rest, for instance, if you'd like. And then you can add effects by selecting effects here, video effects. There's a lot of effects you can choose from, as you can see. Let's try some retro effects like that. You can adjust it here. You can also add a text by selecting text, add text, and I'm just going to write the name of the movie. Oops. You can change the font here too. So it's going to change the font. Then you can also adjust the size, for instance, by pinching with your fingers. I'm gonna put it here. You can add text to speech, lasting text, and animation to the text. And you can also add a filter to the video. And you can adjust the brightness and settings of the video like so. You can add an overlay audio. You can extract the audio, select the video, and then press extract audio. You can also edit the audio too. As you can see, there's just a lot of options, but that's basically how you can use CapCut. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!